Welcome back, episode 3. My name is Teemu Paloranta and I'm a Finnish individual who would like to build a boat. Someone asked if I'm a boat builder, so I'm a boat builder wannabe, and this is the project that I'm doing, but I don't think I have right to call myself a boat builder just yet. Today it's about demolition, and I'm starting with a skylight. It's very in good condition and definitely have to be saved. Question is that if I should start doing it before on the water or when it's on dry land, because it's much easier if I have some roof over the boat, because when it's gone, and this is a big hole in the middle of the boat. So, but I'm gonna see if I have the right tools to get it out. So here we go. No luck. I'm gonna see if they can borrow me some. Lucky there's lots of people who actually have proper tools. It doesn't really make a difference. Probably wouldn't be doing it anyway today, but at the same would make do with this set of tools. Good news, I got a ton of oak. I just see the bilge again. It's been raining and storming here like crazy. So see how much water is under the floorboard. So let's go see. Actually, it looks good. No water, so lucky me. Yeehaw! Hey guys. So I'm trying to sound as excited as I am. I got a shitload, so much oak, white oak from Finland, local. It covers all my needs and then some. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and since I got a little bit of extra, I'm gonna make some furniture out of it, and I packed some into my car. After another. Here. And here. Is sawn to the 2 inches. 2 inches thick, and so I have 4 of these, an old caterpillar, and then one more pile here, so plenty of decent wood. So my boat's gonna look good, very good, and I'm gonna make some money out of making furniture, so every bit counts. Big boards, blank boards, they'll be outside for quite some time, but they're properly stored, so should be fine. Okay, that's about all for now. Now I'm gonna start taking the kitchen apart, and as sad it is, has to be done. So there's still some water in the pipe, so I'm gonna suck it dry and go from there. I'm gonna make a much smaller sink, so you can see the space is fairly filled. This is a water tank for grey water. Stuff like this are completely stuck. Cutting boards, IKEA knives. It's September, but it's 20 plus Celsius outside, so it's actually very warm, and I'm sweating here. Goodbye, old kitchen. Can be used for some other purpose, maybe not, but I don't want to destroy this just yet. The amount of space that has been wasted so far is a lot, so if I now utilize this properly, I'm gonna have plenty of space for water. Reverse osmosis cleans are easy to fit in here. Space is not the issue here. It's about getting it done. So all these gonna go, which is sad. But it was. I'm not really destroying an old boat. I'm destroying the first Renault of a very old boat. So in the 70s, when they built this, turned this in from the fishing boat to a laser boat, it was already destroyed. The whatever it was before. So good bones are only thing that are gonna be here. And this one, and this is not even a real antique. This is not over 100 years old. This is 70, 60, 50 years old maybe. Don't know. I don't have records of it, but mast, rigging, yeah, there's some old stuff, but overall it's the body. The main thing, which is the hull. That's the old one. Is throughout the salon, so I'm waiting it to. I cannot take it completely apart. I was just cutting here throughout the boat, so it can be lifted up. So next month it will be lifted on the dock, and then I can start the actual demolition. So now I need the strength because the weight's a ton. 28 tons, and when it's been lifted, so it's gonna break if I take all the super beams out. So now it's just cleaning, and then chasing wood, and then, oh, so much work. I'm crazy, yes, indeed I am. But thanks for watching. And it's gonna be this kind of videos for a little while, for a long time, because I'm not really able to. I got a ton of wood, but I'm not able to build anything for quite some time before I do all the base work to a bare bone. I have to really do a bare bone before I can start doing any construction. So wow. And I have to do work, my day work too. So it's a long journey. Once I remove this, it's easy to see how much space there was. And there's actually only spot I find is straight up moldy. So bad, but at least it's in this on the board, not in the hull. Space I have here. There's some concerning looking growth. Let's see if I can fix that. Let's focus on the surface. My studio light burns, so I need some light right now. But yeah. Let's see what the future brings. It would be crazy if this age boat wouldn't have any serious surprises. And that's not really a surprise even. But unfortunate mold growth. Yeah, let's deal with that later. Now this kitchen has been taken down. The next one I think wall and whole salon is now cut from the so it needs to be lifted. I'm gonna cut it in smaller pieces first and gonna screw out the skylight, so it's gonna make it much lighter. But for that I need some help, so I couldn't do it myself, so I left it be. Whew. The nav station was taking so much space that it's unbelievable, the depth of let's say waist height, and once I get this higher, there's so much space to be used. This corner is gonna be the bathroom head with shower, so then I think I'm gonna leave a little nav station here. Keep this almost the same. Looks healthy here, which is good. So much work, so much work, so much work. So technically the thing is now open, but I have to cut it in pieces in order to get it out from here, and I think it's easier to do when it's been lifted off the entire boat. So this is junk I collected today. One battery, and I was researching for proper structure for the cover, because I need to work on those rails, and now the cover is built on the rails, so I need space around it. So I think I'm gonna go with the metal structure, because this is, it's not gonna be one year project, so if I need something that I can take in and out every year. So steel frame has to be sufficient. Yeah. I wish I could show you something concrete that I'll be doing. Well, I guess this is concrete too. I'm just cleaning, but it's not really a boat building. It's boat cleaning and demolition.